Yeah. So today we will have a discussion on Python dictionaries. So what is a dictionary? See, when you say dictionary, it is very much like our language dictionaries, like Oxford dictionary or whatever it is. Where we have a key followed by value. Okay, key is nothing but if you take in dictionary parlance, if you take the word as a key, then the synonyms or antonyms, okay, they are the values. So Python also has a data structure called dictionaries or dictionary, where you can store some values against some keys. Okay, for example, I want to store a set of data about say a city's population. Okay? So the population value, okay, will be stored against the city's name. See, for example, if I say city as the dictionary name, then I can have city of Chennai has this much of population. City of Delhi has this much of population. Right? So you need to associate. Basically, it's called an associative array. Okay, associative array where you associate a value against a key. Okay, that's called Python dictionary. Okay, sorry. Now dictionaries, okay, they can grow and shrink actually in Python. They can dynamically grow and shrink, okay, ad libitum at runtime actually. Right? That means what? You can add more number of keys with their associated values, or you can remove certain items with their associated key and values from the dictionary. All these things you can do. You can update your dictionary. All these operations you can do. Okay, basically it's a mutable object actually. A dictionary is a mutable object. So you can add new items to the dictionary, remove existing items from the dictionary. All these you can do. Okay, and when you design a dictionary, the keys must be immutable. Okay, and the values can be mutable, but the keys must be immutable. Because see, when I say mutable, so for example, if I have a key called Chennai, okay, then that Chennai, okay, has a population of this much, then I can change the population because the population can increase or decrease. But instead of that key Chennai, I should not substitute with some other city. If you want to add some other city, add one more key with their own value. But you cannot change that Chennai key value into something else. That is not allowed actually. That's not allowed. See, it's very much similar to our vehicle. If you have two-wheeler or car, you can change the appearance of the vehicle, okay, with the proper permissions, but you are not allowed to change the number of your vehicle. This is an analogy I can say. Okay, you are allowed to change the properties of your vehicle. You can change the color, you can add some extra fittings, everything you can add, but you are not supposed to change the number plate of your vehicle. That is against the rules of the motors. See, motor, of course, motors. Okay, against the rules of the motors. Right? So you are allowed to change the value of a Python dictionary, but you are not allowed to change the key of a Python dictionary. If you want to do, you can drop that key and value, no problem. Or if you want, you can add one more key with an associated value. It doesn't matter. But the existing key cannot be changed. That is why the keys are okay immutable, but the values are mutable. As I told you, the values, for example, Chennai has population of 8 crores, for example, or maybe 2 crores. Now in another 10 years time, it increases to 3 crores. So that value can change, right? And value can be of any Python object type. As I told you, key, okay, can be of type which must be immutable. When I say immutable, a string can be a key, a value, an integer can be a key, or a float can be a key. Okay, all these things can be key. Okay, but when you say value, value can be anything. It can be string, it can be a list, it can be a tuple, it can be a set, or whatever it is. Right? So they are not ordered. They are not ordered items as list or string or tuple. So keys are not ordered. Okay, that means they don't maintain any sequential order actually. Okay, they don't maintain any sequential order. As list. See, for example, list items can be accessed using index 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. But key, you cannot. So for example, I have a code called population. I have a dictionary called population. Then population within square bracket, I cannot put 0 for accessing the first city. No, that's not allowed because there is no ordering for Python dictionaries. They are accessed only using the keys. That's it. Okay. So with this introduction, we'll get into some practical implementation of Python dictionary. So I'll go here. So it's my Anaconda navigator. So I'm going to create. I'll just first let me mark down. This will be marked down. Okay, cell. So I'll just say Python dictionary. Okay, so it becomes C. When I press Control Enter, na, it has become a heading kind of thing. Okay, fine. Then I'll add one more. I'll just escape and B. Sometimes directly B also inserts another cell below the existing cell. If you want to add one cell above the existing cell, you have to press A. B for cell below it. Now let me create population. Populate or popul. We call simply popul is equal to, that should be a flower bracket. Okay, so when you put an empty flower bracket, that's called empty dictionary. Empty dictionary. Suppose you see, I'll just say type of popul. See, dict. Dict means dictionary. Okay, dict. See, in Python, a dictionary is called dict. So the class associated with the dictionary is called dict. D-I-C-T. Okay. Now type popu. Fine. So type of popu is dictionary. Now I want to add some items here. So what I'll do, I'll just go here. See, it should be a flower bracket. Enter. Then I want some keys. So I'll say Chennai. Chennai is a key. Population is something. I just give something like this, comma. So every dictionary items means the key value pair is called items. Item. So every item should be separated by a comma. Then I say Delhi, colon, okay, and something like this. Okay, comma. I see just random number I am typing. So this is called a key. It should be segregated by colon, then a value, then a value, then a value. Okay, fine. Then I have Mumbai, colon, I just type something like this, comma, then I type, Bangalore, colon, some type value I type, okay, fine. So I have created a dictionary with a key. So the key, if you look at the key, it's a string actually. Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, all are, string actually. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to print the dictionary. Look at this. I got it here at the bottom. Chennai, colon, okay, then the population, Delhi. So this is called a dictionary. This is how you create a dictionary. Now I want to access a specific city by key. So how can I do it? There are two ways. Put square bracket, then within the square bracket, in single quotation, the key value, Chennai. Chennai. Okay, fine. So look at this. I got Chennai's population. If I give a key which is not there, I'll get an error called key error. Look, Madurai. It's a Madurai. Madurai. Okay, so look at this. I got an error. It says, yeah, Papu Madurai is not there. There is a key error. Look at this. It's a key error. There is no key called Madurai. There is no key called Madurai. Okay. Now I can have the other way of accessing the value is Papu dot get. Then I'll say Chennai. Or I'll say Delhi. So you can see here Delhi's population 374. I got it. So the accessing of a value within your dictionary is using the key. Right? Now I can add some items into the key. So what I'll do, I'll just press one more cell. I'll create one more cell. I'll just say popu of. I'll just add Kolkata. Kolkata. The population is something like this. Okay, so I'll just say popu. Or I can say print popu. So I can see here, Chennai is this, Delhi is this. So it's a dictionary which starts with the flower bracket, ends with the flower bracket. Okay. Now, so this is how you add item into a dictionary. So it's basically it is mutable. Okay, the items inside a dictionary are mutable. That is why you are able to add a new key with the associated value. Right? Then what I can do, I can remove an existing item by just say del popu of, I'll just say Bangalore, or Mumbai. Right? Now after del popu, then key. should be within square bracket. I can just say print, okay, Papu. So I can see it. Now Mumbai is not there. Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Kolkata. Mumbai is deleted. Right? And of course, you can iterate through your dictionary using a for loop. For I'll say I want keys only. So I just say key. See, I want to find out what are the keys inside my dictionary. For key in, Papu, you have to give a dictionary name dot keys. Keys is a method. Keys is a method which is inside dict class. Okay, and Papu refers to an object of dict class. Keep this in mind. Okay, then colon. So indentation is required. Then I can just say print key. Print key. So you can see here Chennai, okay, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata. So we got only keys. Then I want, I can just say the same way I want only values. So I just say Control C, Control V. Then I'll say here value or val, anything we want. But here the method should be values. So print val. Look at this. So I got only the population count, not the cities. I got only population count. Okay. So these are you display values from your dictionary. Then what I can do, I want to display this city has this much of population. So I'm going to use a format string over here, not format string. Basically, it's called of course it's a string formation. So I'll just tell you what it is. So for I'll just say key comma val in Papu is a dictionary dot items. So when you say items method brings both key and value. That means what? Chennai, what is the population? So I want to print like that. So I just say print. Then within single quotation or double quotation, I can give something like this. Okay, with the first F. F means formatted string. Then within single quotation or double quotation, I'll use double quotation now. I'll just say a flower bracket. I'll just say key. So key means Chennai will be printed as a population of then again I'll put one flower bracket. I have to get the value. So I'll just say Papu of that key. Fine. So you see. So what do I do here? Key means Chennai has a population of Papu of key. Papu of key means Papu of Chennai. Okay. Of course, what I should do. Yeah. Papu of key. Fine. So let me just run and show. Look at this. We got it. See, Chennai has a population of 84578. Delhi has a population of 374. Bangalore's population of this much. Okay. So what? See, this is called in a formatted string where you are supposed to put the variable inside flower bracket. So I put key. See, key we access it here. Okay. And val, of course, we are not using val, or you can directly give val instead of Papu of key. You can just give val. That's enough. That's enough. Look at this. I control enter. I give. Look at this. Again, it's running. So Chennai has a population of this much. Right. So this is how you access your key value pair. Okay. Now, if you want to have condition kind of thing. Okay. If key starts with Chennai CH. Okay. Fine. CH vehicle C colon. Then I want only Chennai city. Look at this. So Chennai has a population of 84. Okay, fine. So this is how you have to, or based on value. See value which is above 3 lakhs, above 5 lakhs. I want. So what you can do? You can just say value. So let it be like that. Okay, key starts with. I just copy this and so that remains there. Control C, escape V, so the new cell has come. I'll put Control V. So here I'll just say, if val is above some 5 crores, something like that. Okay, then display it. So I think no city has got that value. Yeah, no city has got that value. So I'll put an else. Okay, print no city available. Well, just no city available. So I'll just say something like, please, something like that. Okay. Yeah, Chennai, all cities come under this blanket. Okay, I'll just copy this. I'll just paste it here. Fine. So no city available. Okay, val is above, so it should be greater than or equal to. So you see, Bangalore is a population of this. Okay, fine. So it prints for all cities. That's all. Bangalore is population of this. For other thing, it says no city available. Or you can remove this actually. What you can just remove this. Control /, then I'll run it. See, Bangalore's population of above 387438. Okay, so this is how you process your dictionary, and this is a simple example of a dictionary. Okay, so more examples we will be seeing in our further demonstrations. Thank you.